Messi, your room is Minecraft. Minecraft, seriously? Of course, let's go! Alright, show me! Georgina, your room is Roblox, and this one is Minecraft. And Lego is over there! Speed, your room is Lego!
Oh my god, just look at this channel. It has 9.35 million subscribers with only 127 videos. That's insane. And yes, it's fully monetized. That black tick proves it. Now, if you check their shorts and open the most popular videos, you'll notice something very interesting. The concept is extremely simple, but powerful. Ronaldo acts as a main character, and he assigns rooms to different characters. He tells Messi, "This is your room." Then he tells Speed, "This is your room." And the same goes for Georgina and Neymar. There's nothing complicated in these videos, just this one concept repeated in a very engaging way. So today, we are going to create the exact same style of videos. And trust me, you don't want to skip this video, because this is going to be extremely powerful and amazing. Now let's talk about their popular videos. As you can see on the screen, many of them have millions and millions of views. 80 million, 90 million, 5 million, 10 million, even 16 million. Almost every video is performing at a massive scale. Now, if we talk about earnings, according to Social Blade, this channel is estimated to make around $82,000 per month. And honestly, this is just an estimate. The real earnings could be even higher. That means you can also make money by creating these types of channels. And today, I'm going to show you everything. Prompts, tools, full process, all ready for you. So guys, don't skip this video. We are going to create these videos using a 100% free AI tool. No charges at all. We will generate both images and videos using AI. Now I have already prepared an all-in-one master prompt for you. This master football prompt includes everything: environment setup, room design, character system, body styles, and all required characters. It also includes 10 image scene prompts, video prompts, and even a voiceover script. All you have to do is go to the link in the description, copy the prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, ChatGPT will give you a complete final version, including environment, characters, and all 10 scenes. If you don't like the output, you can simply scroll down and write, "Please add prompts in all scenes." And it will automatically apply global style, environment, and character prompts inside every scene. So you don't have to copy things one by one. Now your prompts are ready. Next, let's talk about the tools. The first tool we will use is Comfy AI. This is a cloud-based tool, and it is completely free. However, there is one limitation. It only generates videos, not images. So for image generation, we will use another tool. And the best tool for this is Video Inu. Yes, Video Inu is currently one of the only AI tools that can generate images for these types of prompts. Many tools fail due to content restrictions, but this one works perfectly. And don't worry, it gives you 500 free credits. Now let me show you how to log in. Simply go to Video Inu, click on Login, then click on Sign Up. Use a temporary email. You can get one from any temp mail website. Copy the email, paste it here, enter your name, and click Send Code. Then go back, copy the code, paste it, and log in. Once you log in successfully, you will see your 500 free credits. Now on the left side, click on the Image option. I already generated a sample image. You can also take a reference screenshot from the channel and upload it. Now go to ChatGPT, copy your scene prompt, paste it here, and click Generate. Make sure you select Model, Nano Banana Aspect, Ratio 9:16. Now your first image will start generating. You can generate multiple images at the same time, even 5 to 6 images together. Now sometimes, some images may not come out correctly. In that case, simply go back, adjust the character prompt, replace the character name, and generate again. For example, if it was Messi before, just replace it with Speed or Georgina and regenerate. Repeat this process for all scenes. No changes needed. Same method for all images. Now once all your images are ready, we move to the next step, video generation. For video generation, we will use Comfy AI, and I will provide the link in the description. All you need to do is go to Comfy AI. Once you open it, you will see a Join option. Simply click on Join. After clicking, the platform will open, and you just need to log in using any Google account. I have already logged in, After logging in, you will see an interface that might look a little confusing at first. Don't worry, you don't need to click anything randomly here. Avoid clicking on options like History, Assets, or Apps, because once you open them, it becomes difficult to reset things. Instead, simply go to the Templates section. When you click on Templates, you will see a lot of different models. You may also see image models, but let me tell you, most image models here don't work properly and often give errors. I've already tested them, so we will focus only on video models. Now search for Groove. This is an AI video generator. Open the Groove model. This is where our main workflow starts, so don't skip this part. Here, you will see an image upload option. Go to your browser and upload your first generated image. Then go to ChatGPT, copy the video animation prompt that we prepared earlier, and paste it into the prompt box. After that, set your aspect ratio and resolution. You can keep the duration around 8 seconds, or even go up to 15 seconds if you want. Now again, go to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover line for the specific scene. For example, Messy, your room is Minecraft. Paste that into the voice section. Now simply click Generate. On the right side, you will see the task progress percentage. It may look like it will take time, but usually it only takes about 1 to 1.5 minutes. This tool is 100% free, very powerful, and honestly, one of the best AI tools available right now. After a short wait, your video will be ready. Now you can preview it. You'll see it generates videos in the exact same style as the viral channel. Very smooth, very engaging, and visually powerful. To download the video, simply click on the 3 dots and press download, then save it to your device. Now for the next video, repeat the same process. Upload the next character image, then go back to ChatGPT and copy only the next scene's voiceover. For example, Georgina's line. Paste it, keep everything else the same, and click Generate again. Your next video will start processing and will be ready within 1 to 2 minutes. Now, I just want to say something. I always try to bring you powerful and free AI tools, but your support really matters. This video was actually made because one of you requested it. Many people asked for viral content tutorials, and I made this for you. My goal is simple, to help you grow using free AI tools. Now let's check the next result. As you can see, the Georgina video is also generated beautifully. Very clean, high quality, and powerful. Again, download it and move to the next. Now repeat the same process for speed. Upload image, paste voiceover, click Generate. And as you can see, the speed video is also generated perfectly. Very energetic, very engaging, and visually strong. This tool is still new and in beta, so that's why it's free right now. In the future, it might become paid, so use it as much as you can while it's free. Now finally, generate the last scene. Upload the image, paste the final voiceover, and click Generate. And here is your final result, a complete viral-style video sequence. You can see how clean and powerful it looks, especially the moment where the wrong room is chosen. It creates strong engagement. So guys, now your job is simple. Create a channel like this. Start uploading consistently, whether short form or long form, whichever you prefer. And stay consistent. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.